Beeble, the AI relighting people, have put their SwitchX model into something new called OpenArt VFX. The pitch is dead simple. Upload a clip, then you can replace the background, relight the whole scene, or paint an effect on one part of the frame. 3 modes, 1 upload, done in minutes. No green screen, no composition, no reshoot. That is a dream. So pretty much we can close down the studio. We don't need it anymore. Beeble can do all of that altogether. But joke aside, I wouldn't throw it at a finished shot for a paying client yet. That's not what it is for. But for previs, a quick pitch, or show me what this looks like at the night before we commit. That's pretty handy. Swap the background, match the light, see if the idea holds, and move on into a proper studio like this.